Well, could former Sheriff Jamey Noel have taken the rap for his wife and daughter when he was sentenced earlier this month? Misty Noel's attorney says Jamey's statement should be considered in her case. Focus reporter Travis Breeze and photojournalist Emma Gefter tell us where the sides stand on reaching a plea agreement before trial.
Well, it certainly seems that no progress has been made since October 7th. That is the date both sides told us they are trying to reach a plea agreement. One of the last things they're wrestling with is how much weight to give the statements that Jamey Noel made at his sentencing.
It's all my fault. And my family had no knowledge of the business that I was running.
Jamey Noel's tear-filled statements on October 14th, apologizing to the victims and his family and saying he alone stole the money.
I controlled everything when it came to our family's finances.
As Misty and Kasey Noel try to resolve their cases before trial, how much will the court consider Jamey's word?
We do think that some of the statements that Mr. Noel made are relevant and should be considered. However, in plea negotiations, I may believe that, but if the state doesn't, then we may have an impasse that we have to work around.
The women are accused of making purchases on their own New Chapel EMS credit cards on personal items like tanning beds, makeup, jewelry, and more. The charges are over $700,000. Jamey said he wasn't honest with them about what the cards could and couldn't be used for.
Mr. Noel admitted to 27 felonies. I'm not sure how credible his statements are.
Judge Medlock gave the parties a new trial date of February 3rd as they try to resolve both cases before then. Is Misty Noel willing to go to prison, and has that been a hang-up over the last 3 weeks?
I can't answer that question, I'm sorry.
In his recent request to let Misty sell her assets, attorney Bart McMahon said it is very likely that Misty Noel will be incarcerated by the end of the year. Both women have so far pleaded not guilty. In Jeffersonville with photojournalist Emma Gefter, Travis Breeze, WHAS 11 on your side.
As of today, Jamey Noel's Indiana Department of Corrections page shows that he's at the Newcastle Correctional Complex in Henry County. That's south of Muncie, Indiana. Now, this is a privately run facility that is owned by the state of Indiana. Noel's earliest possible release date is 2033.